My topic that I will be discussing to you is a virtualization, a computing environment. I will discuss to you the definition and the uses of virtualization. But first, let's define what virtualization is. Virtualization is a process by which a virtual version is created by computing hardware, operating system, computer networks, or other resources. It is a simplification of traditional architectures in order to reduce the number of physical devices. Techopedia explains compute virtualization. They said that it is a process by which enhances the efficiency and reduces the cost of IT infrastructure. It provides a flexible model of virtual machines through which physical servers are treated as a pool of resources. So we go to now to the uses of virtualization. I'll give the scenario that uses virtualization. Say for example, in this example, a critical point to recognize here is the ability with these advanced features to further abstract computer from the hardware they reside upon. Once virtual machine migration capabilities associated with dynamic workload management are introduced into virtualization environment, the administrator no longer needs to consider each host as an individual computer chassis. Rather, the host can now be considered a set of resources of which any virtual machine can make use. This abstraction of resources makes possible the best and most efficient use of available resources. So, to further explain, I will now go to my conclusion. Common misconception about virtualization is that it is often referred to as an infrastructure. Rather, virtualization is a technology that allows you to optimize computing resources like networking, memory storage, or CPU, and etc. It is a misconception because virtualization allows you to optimize memory storage, CPU, and etc. But it is not an infrastructure because infrastructure is a physical structure. Thus, that virtualization doesn't have that characteristic, and it is a really misconception. And another one is there is no real hardware behind all of this, and it's just work with nothing. This is a dangerous assumption because you cannot create something out of nothing. It just explains that virtualization is not a physical thing, but it does not mean that there is no physical device behind this computing environment. All major CSPs, cloud service provider, have already established sophisticated hardware infrastructure. Now, the real challenge is to effectively utilize the humongous hardware infrastructure they have created. This is where virtualization is applied, and you as consumer just access all of these optimized hardware resources through your web browser. And that's all for my topic about virtualization.